Managing bills and invoices for your business can be overwhelming, but with Swipey's new bill payment feature, things just got a whole lot simpler. Whether it's a PDF, Excel, or Word, simply forward your bills to bills@swipey.co. You can upload multiple formats, but just remember to include one attachment per email. For those with many bills to process in one go, use our bulk upload feature. Click plus bulk upload, grab the Excel template, and create multiple bills at once. Perfect for regular invoices or monthly payouts to your employees or gig workers. In a flash, your bills are captured and neatly organized in Swipey's intuitive Kanban view. Our smart AI begins processing immediately, and in most cases, it just takes a few minutes. Every new bill lands in the pending review. Here, Swipey's AI extracts key details, but you always have the final say. Ensure your vendor details, amounts, and bank info are correct. Got bills in foreign currencies? No worries. Swipey supports multiple currencies and provides an indicative FX conversion. With support for international bank transfers, local bank transfers, and JohnPay payment options, you're covered locally and worldwide. Happy with the details? Move it to approve. Set your payment date, and Swipey automatically reserves the bill amount from your master account. Now sit back and watch your invoice transition smoothly to the scheduled section. Set it, forget it. Choose your payment date and Swipey ensures timely payments. Still pondering if Swipey just tracks bills? Think bigger. Swipey automates bill payments, ensuring no more late fees or missed payments. Swipey's bill payment, bringing clarity, convenience, and confidence to your business billing. Experience the future of managing bills and invoices today.